Hello everyone, welcome to Dave Tech Media once again. Right here in this video, I'll be teaching you how I created this birthday flyer from scratch. That being said, let's get started. So the first thing I did was that I had to work on the photos. They were not like this when I got them. So I had to work on the photos first. And what I used there was Snapseed. So let's go right to Snapseed. Okay, this is Snapseed over here. Then you can get Snapseed on Play Store and use it. So you just click the plus icon. I got the photo from Facebook, so here is it. I clicked on it. Then you click on tools, click on tone image, increase the brightness to 11, increase the contrast to about 20, increase the saturation to like 35 or 31, leave it at 31. Then increase the ambience to, leave it at 27, 27. Highlight, the highlight to should be like 10. Okay, shadows, you can reduce it. Okay, then don't increase the warmth, you can just leave it at 1. Okay, so you just tick it here. Then you come to details. This is where the major work lies, and you increase the sharpness of the photo, you increase the details. Okay, we are getting there. Increase it to something like 60, then increase the sharpening to something like 33, 30 is okay. 30 is okay. Then you tick it too, and when you are done with this, you just click export and then save. So that photo has been saved to my gallery already. Then I will have to import the second photo. I'll just click open, then I'll click the second one, which is this. And since I've edited the former one before, so the former edit is still here, I'll just click on last edit here. Okay, and I'll tick it. Then I will export this to my gallery. Okay, so right now I have to remove the background, and we'll head over to photo room, an application I'll use to remove the background for the two photos. Okay, photo room. Okay, permit me to turn on my data. All right, so I'll click start from photo right here and click this, then the background will be removed in a short while. Alright, so I'll click on this, and then I'll click this and save to gallery. Okay, we are done with the first photo. We click start from photo again, then we pick the second one, which is this. It removes the background and we are done. Okay, so that's all the editing we will need to do. Like right now, we'll go to the Pixellab app and we'll start working on the design. So I'm right here now in Pixellab, and okay, this was a project I'm working on before. So I just create a new blank page. Alright, so permit me to import all the photos I will need for this design, and then we'll get started. Okay, so here's the design we'll be modeling. Alright, I will just hide this now, and here are the elements that we're going to be using. These 3 elements are the only ones we are going to be using for this design. Okay, so permit me to hide them for now. So first thing I did was that I increased the size of this. You can get this on Google by searching stage light. Just search stage light on Google. Okay, then you position this strategically. Position it strategically. Doesn't really have any method, you just need to position it by yourself. Okay, all right. Okay, I think we are getting there. Then you can lock it that it won't be moving too much. Then you move to color filters. All right, focus on my cursor very well, please. Then you see this hue, the first one here, hue over here. You adjust it, just adjust it till it might exactly what I needed. Exactly what I needed. Okay, so you can increase the brightness a little bit. You see that the brightness of the light increased. Increase it. Then you can increase the saturation. Can increase the contrast. No, don't increase contrast to spoil it. Okay, so we'll just mark it and leave it that way. Okay, it's locked already, so let's work on the photos. We're going to pick this one, this particular one, put it here. You duplicate it, click on crop, click this right here, tick it and put it here. All right, I think we are getting there. Then you move this to front, increase the size. Okay, increase the sizing of this. Okay, I think we are there. Let's check this out. Get this thing needs to be increased. Yeah. Let's turn this off. We can lock this for now so that we can adjust this. Let's increase this. Exactly. Just let's duplicate this, click crop, disable this, take it. Okay, and send this to the back of this. Yes, exactly. Oh, sorry. Just take your time and adjust it very well. It may not be this particular picture, but anyone you want to work on, adjust it very well. Alright. Okay, I think we are set. Let's lock it. Alright, so the next thing I did was that I used a shape so that our text will not interfere with the photo. So I used a square shape, and then I went to gradient. I created a new gradient. Click this node here, click color, head over to black. Yes, these are black already. Reduce the opacity, reduce it to the end, and come to this one, put it at black. Alright, I think you can leave this here. Okay, and this is all we need. Exactly. Then let's increase the opacity a little bit. Okay, I think this is cool. Yeah, this is cool. Then you lock this too. Okay, so next thing I did was I wrote DevTech Media Designs, DevTech Media Design. Okay, then I changed the font. I changed the color first to white, and then the font I used MTN Brighter Sans Extra Light. Yeah, this is what I used. I reduced the size, centralized it. Okay, then I increased the spacing between it. Then I centralized it again. Okay, yeah, done. Okay, what next do we need to do? What next do we need to do? Sorry about that. Okay, so here is it. Next thing we're going to do now is we'll write happy birthday and then Mr. World, and we are done with this design. Okay, happy birthday, happy, increase the size, change the color to white, right, and then change the font to MTN. You always advise not to use too many fonts in your design, too many typefaces rather. Happy. Then you could copy this, put it here, and just change the color. Yeah, I think I picked the color on his face. Yeah, that was what I did. Yes. Okay. Then you change this to birthday. Okay, now it's changed. Okay. Okay, happy birthday, Mr. World. Mr. World. He's an amazing gospel musician. You can go get his music. Okay, then I use MTN Sun here again. MTN Sun. Let's go with the regular. You don't want it too light here. Then you change the color to white. Okay, and then you shift this up a little bit. Increase the spacing. And then centralize this. Okay, I think we are done. Yeah. So this is exactly what we wanted to create. Okay, let's check it out. There's a little difference in the sizing. Oh, and the color. Sorry, the happy should have been the one that will be colored, then this will be white. Exactly. Okay. Now you could just use a circle on here. You could just add a circle here to indicate the date. Okay, make this white or colored. Then you can reduce the opacity just to have that feel. Okay. Then increase the size, increase it. And you can write June 23. It's not a difficult design at all. Okay, then you change it to MTN Sound. Okay, let me just make it June, then 23 will be inside. June, then 2023. And change the color to white, and then the font to MTN Sun Extra Bold. Change the color of this to white too. Then we are done with this design. Okay, let's look at it. Okay, yeah, we are done with this design. This is a little too big, you can just reduce it. Yeah, we are finally done. So this is it. Happy birthday, Mr. World. So you can go ahead and create yours. You can use a different picture. Take your time, make it as attractive as possible, And if you are new here and you have not subscribed, please do well to hit the subscribe button so that when next I drop a tutorial on another design, you'll be able to get alerted. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.